Have you ever lost an entire hour of your life, even though you were warned it would happen? Hi, I am Deacon Rigo. Today we are talking about a British tradition that causes total chaos every single year. In the UK, the clocks change twice a year. In spring, the clock goes forward. At 2 a.m., it suddenly jumps to 3 a.m. 1 hour just disappears. And even though we know it's coming, people still get it wrong. Take Daniel. He had a very important meeting. No excuses. He set 3 alarms. The next morning, he jumped out of bed and joined the meeting with a big smile. But there was silence. It hit him. The meeting finished an hour ago. The missing hour took his meeting with it. Later, Daniel called his friend Amit. Amit laughed and said, "That's nothing. I arrived 1 hour early for mine." You see, Amit knew the clocks were changing, but he made one small mistake. He thought the clocks went back. So he moved his clock 1 hour backwards before bed and created an extra hour by accident. So one was late, the other was early, and both were very confused. To avoid being like Daniel or Amit, British people use a simple phrase: spring forward, fall back. In spring, the clock moves forward. In autumn or fall, it moves back. It sounds simple in theory, but in real life, it's still confusing. Now, I've used a few specific phrases there, like "it hit him" and "jumped out of bed." If you want to master the pronunciation and exact usage of these phrases, make sure you come back this Wednesday for a correct English series midweek lesson. I'll be breaking down everything from this story in detail. To make sure you don't miss out that Wednesday lesson or our upcoming twice a week grammar shorts, hit the subscribe button now and join our global classroom. Now tell me, which one is worse? Being 1 hour late like Daniel or 1 hour early like Amit? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to share the story with a friend who is always late for meetings. See you in the next lesson.